Thank you. Hello. First of all, I want to thank Matt for the introduction. Realization was kind enough to invite me here to present my project to you. Slight variation on what Matt said. It was the building of a new factory, but it was really the creation of a new company. It was a joint venture, so new management absolutely knew everything, and we did it in 7 months, and it's twice the size of what we were before. The agenda is going to be split up into 5 little points: company background, solving our synchronization problem, implementing the 3 rules, results, and the challenges and lessons that we learned. A little bit of background on Emco. We're the largest wire rope and wire manufacturer in Colombia and South America. Our headquarters and first plant is in Bogota. The new plant, the joint venture, is in Santa Marta, which is on the coast. It's an export platform. We currently employ about 500 people, so a little bit smaller than Siemens. But some of our customers include preformed line products, PLP, Tyco, Suncoast Post-Tension, Pemex, Ecopetrol, and Goodyear and Michelin. We are split up into 8 different sectors. The spring sector, so industrial springs, we make mattress spring wire, other industrial springs. Elevator ropes, the agri-industrial market, so we make stay cables and wires for vineyards, for example, for greenhouses. The automotive is for tires. We make bead wire, which is the tire that goes inside of the wire that goes inside of tires and reinforces the structure of tires. So Goodyear and Michelin are our customers there. We make fishing and shrimping ropes. Petroleum and mining industry. We use ropes for a variety of different applications. Electrical and telecom. We make strands and wires for conductor manufacturers, and we make guy strands, which hold towers in place, for example, and pre-stressed concrete steel wires and strands. That's one of our biggest products, which we export all over the world. Manufacturing process is relatively simple and can be, the plant manager is going to get mad at me for saying that, but it can be broken down into 3 main steps. Cleaning, which involves pickling the acid in hydrochloric acid, removes impurities and rust. Then we have drawing, which is a mechanical process which reduces the diameter of the raw material. And finally, stranding and stress relieving, which applies a constant load while you intertwine 7 wires, 19 wires, 26 wires, depends on the construction of the final product. It's important to note that, I guess, how we got to realization. Our strategy to compete, we started 2 years ago on a viable vision implementation, which isn't realization, but it's gold rat consulting. It's applying TOC to our plant floor. So within a year, we were able to guarantee 100% due date performance. We came from 45% due date performance, and that 45%, I can tell you, was whoever yelled the loudest got product first. It was very challenging. So we increased our efficiency, and now we guarantee our due dates with 5% a day X works. 5% a day X works if I'm late. So if I'm late 3 days, it's 15% off your order. What this allows us to do in the steel industry, this is kind of unheard of. The steel industry is known, it's notorious for late deliveries. And what this has allowed us to do is to reduce our customers' final inventories. Steel is a commodity, the price fluctuates. It reduces final inventories. And for our distributors, this has allowed them to rotate their inventory up to 3 times more than when they were ordering before. So we charge a premium for emergency orders now. We are very selective of our customer base, which is, I guess, a luxury in any business. And we increase capacity with no investment. This, in some lines of production, the pre-C strand line, we increased 100% capacity. So we doubled our capacity just organizing our process flow. In our rope manufacturing, 30%. In others, 10%. But in total, the company increased its capacity from 20 to 30% without purchasing 1 machine. So it was a very successful implementation.